how to deposit a check on TD Bank app. Now, what we're doing right now will actually work on both ways for laptop or PC and through mobile app. So what we're doing right now is actually for the web browser using your laptop or PC, but it also works the same thing if you're using your mobile app. Now, right now, if you're using a browser, all you have to do is just pull up your preferred web browser and head directly to the TD Bank's official website. And don't forget to log in to your username and password. Same goes with the mobile app. Now, once you're logged in, all I have to do is to select deposit to log in, and then select deposit to, and then change the preference to account. Now you'll have to enter the amount and then take a photo of the front and back of the check. Make sure that it's clear and readable, and then select continue to complete the deposit. Now, the TD Bank is also recommending that you date and write deposited on the front of the check. You should destroy the check after 14 days. Now, that's how easy and quick you can deposit on your account on TD Bank using the app.